So I'm going to talk today about a ultra-low power multi-core engine for inference of encrypted DNNs, and basically give you a little introduction for the company I'm working for, product lines, and the various issues that we have to solve for imaging on the edge. So the company I'm working for is Xperi. It's a relatively new company, about 2 years old. It's a company that's been formed by various M&As between different kind of other companies. It's a house of brands. Part of our mission is to deliver transformational technologies to enhance the user experience in one way or another. And part of our trusted brands, we have DTS, charged with sound technologies. We have Photonation in charge with imaging technologies, part of which group I'm part of. We have HD radio, is the equivalent of DBA in Europe. It's actually North America and Mexico. We have Invensa, silicon-to-silicon packaging, and Tessera technologies, silicon-to-package interconnect technologies. Loads of devices with our technologies on the market. Going forward, I'm going to focus basically on the imaging part. Photonation, we're doing all sorts of imaging and computer vision at the edge to enhance the image quality and understand more about the scene, the surroundings, with the view to personalize and enhance the user experience.